What?
This is day 1 of raising 1 million pesos or $17,000 before the end of the year. I created this ad wall to support my project, which is Money Generator Project. And that project's goal is to find all the best hustles online or physical or whatever platform. And with this video, I will show you the exact thing that I did to earn money starting from zero. By doing that, I would be able to record each moment, each success, each failure that I will experience throughout my journey. And I will share them to you with a step-by-step guide and a video proof that that kind of hustle will work and earns me money. So please like, share, and follow my journey and watch me try all the hustles we can think of trying. You can also comment down below the hustles that you would like me to try, and I will try it, test it, and create a guide to help other people that were broke and wanted to make money online or in any other platform. So please support me and buy an ad or hit that like, share, and follow. That's it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Bye.